Here at Moses Ventures Martial Arts Village, we train to be strong. Learning respect, knowing right from wrong. We stand tall with kindness, always be fair. Hard work and focus take us anywhere. We don't give up, no matter how tough. With courage in our hearts, we'll rise above. Added to our Moses Ventures Martial Arts Village, we grow each day. Through kicks and punches, we find our way. With Taekwondo, we learn to be great. We keep on fighting, it's never too late. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. We push ourselves, and that's where we begin. We respect each other and ourselves too. In this gym, we learn what we can do. With every practice, with every move, we grow our spirit and our skills improve. Added to our Moses Ventures Martial